Hello everyone. I'm Safi and I'm 6. And I'm Sara and I'm 4. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. Hello! Hello everyone. I'm Safi and I'm going to show you some crafty things I made. So here's my money box that I made. I used it out of a wet wipe box. And then I put paper all over it. Then I just drawed stuff. Then I made this thing.
Wow, I love all the colouring you did. What's that there on this side? What's that?
It's a little Hello Kitty secret flap.
Secret flap?
Look.
Wow, so does that mean I can get all your money out of your money box through there?
Yeah.
So where do you put the notes?
Through here.
Oh, wow.
Notes
Yeah.
and coins.
I absolutely love it. That's very creative, my darling. Love it. Do you like it, Sarah?
Yeah.
Are you going to put your money in your sister's money box? Are you going to put your money in there or not? You made your own, didn't you?
Yeah.
Where's yours?
Worsted.
Oh.
And I got this from Mum, and I just want to show you how it works. So you put it in there, and it's inside, and now it's in there, and you can get it out.
Brilliant. Let Sarah show hers now.
Okay.
Thank you, love. Sarah, do you want to show us your money box?
There. Which place is it facing?
It's facing this way, my darling. So tell them what that is and that.
Hose.
For what?
Money.
Have you got much money? Have you got much money in your piggy bank?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put it all in here now, can't you?
Yeah.
So did you cover this with paper?
Yeah.
And did you do some hearts?
Daddy or Mummy helped me.
Okay, let's show them how it opens up. Your secret compartment and no one can get in. Whoa, there's stuff in there. There's a hopping bunny in there as well. Wondered where that went. I think Safi's looking for that. That's brilliant. Thank you, sweetheart.
I've got my badge here, and it's the Hello Kitty one. We've got some badges. We've got flower badges. A Hello Kitty riding a bike one. A Hello Kitty teddy bear. Okay, now let's open the bag. Okay, and should I show you my little keychain?
Oh, that's lovely.
I got it from a fireworks show.
What have you got in your bag?
I've got this toy. It's a Hello Kitty one.
I love it. Has your sister got one?
Yeah, she got a Kuromi one.
That's lovely.
I've also got this to put stuff in. I put my little Hello Kitty ruler and my ice cream pens.
Love them.
There. I've got this Hello Kitty pencil case that I made.
How did you make it?
Dad helped me make it from a video.
Okay.
And I put these things inside. My little squishy donut. I got it from Whirly Kids. And I also got this rubber from a shop. I can't remember what shop. I made this little watermelon. And I also made this pen.
Did you make the pen out of paper?
Yeah.
Show them the pen properly.
Ice cream, sprinkles, Hello Kitty.
How did you stuff the pen? What's it full of?
Tissue.
Wow, that's really cool, isn't it? And it's got a tip on it.
We put a pen inside.
Right.
And a vitamin box.
Filled it with tissue, you do?
A vitamin box.
Oh, vitamin box. Okay.
Yeah, on the bottom.
On the bottom. That's brilliant. I love it.
I drew the Hello Kitty
Let me
and
show that.
everything.
Let me show that.
Yes.
Look at that. Nice little folds. Brilliant.
Yeah,
And she even fits it in there. I love it. It's so clever, my love.
Let me see if there's anything.
Any more crafts?
One more. My book.
Okay, let's see what's in your book.
I got this book from Santa in school.
How many drawings have you got in there? Wow.
I put some stickers in it and I wrote Hello Kitty. And I did this that I haven't coloured and this. And I also cut out a Hello Kitty and then traced it onto the back.
Lovely.
I wrote Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. I drew a little Hello Kitty and a house.
That reminds me of someone. Did you copy her? Wow.
And I also drew Karomi.
Oh.
Karomi, my toy!
Where is
And I
Karomi?
did this. Here.
That's it now, isn't it?
No, there's more. I just need to find the page where there's more. Sometimes I go on random pages. There.
Oh, okay. Hello Kitty and a
Flower.
wow. So pretty.
That's me.
Love it. Interesting mouth you've got there.
Look.
Oh yes. You big cheeky.
I also drew this and this Hello Kitty and this rainbow.
Lovely.
That colour bleeds through the paper.
That's okay.
And I did another rainbow. And on this page I did a ladybug, a strawberry, and a little heart envelope. And then I drew this Hello Kitty. And then I did these. I did all these things with a stencil.
Careful, love. That's my one of them.
And
That's
then
brilliant.
This is the end of the page.
Brilliant. Thank you, Safi, for sharing all that with us. Lovely.
Goodbye.